everything ready for our road trip. Cable for the car so we can drive with the thing. Water bottle. All of the suitcases.
And me! What about you?
Very good.
And are we bringing our climbing gear?
No.
No, we're not gonna climb.
No, I don't think so.
No? Okay. Well, no climbing gear then. Let's go. So we are bringing the shoes.
Yeah. So she convinced me to go climbing. So maybe we will do some climbing in the Cordoba or Mendoza.
All right, let's go. And we're in the car. We have 7.5 hours to drive. Where are we going?
We're going to Cordoba first. So 7.5 hours. We'll stop for some food. We'll keep you guys posted. So we travel across the US and Chile and Mexico this year, but now in Argentina. So we're pretty excited to do a road trip that it will feature Cordoba, San Juan, Mendoza, some climbing, and
perhaps
good
let's
dinners.
hope. And some very good dinners. Now it's a real road trip. Every road trip that we'd have in like the US or when we were here before, we'd get like coffee and some sort of little treat, and we try to continue doing this, but it doesn't happen every time because, well, sometimes there's nothing around. But today we have a full road trip and we're trying not to die. This is my life. Constantly correcting the camera, even though I put it there. We would go to Cordoba for...
Cordoba. Cordoba.
Cordoba. Cordoba, acá. There's two ways to get to Mendoza. This bottom one, which passes through San Luis, or this top one, which goes to San Juan. You have two options. And it's not, like, for me, it would be more convenient to do Cordoba to San Juan, to Mendoza, to San Luis, and back down.
Lo tengo que ver bien el mapa, no puedo ver aquí mientras manejo. 377 kilometers for
To go?
Cordoba. Yeah.
KVN. Can we stop at one of the, like, Fuji thingies that are super Argentinian? So that we can get, like, Coca-Cola chips. Okay. We haven't been talking too much about it, but recently we've been trying to be a lot more healthy. And that means rock climbing a lot for him. That means gym time for me almost every single day, minus like 1 or 2 days. It's slipping me, amor. You're losing your space in the camera. And on top of that, we've been trying to eat a little bit healthier. We've been eating less dairy, less sweets in general, and that means that I haven't had like a Coca-Cola in 2 weeks.
Yeah, Coca-Cola from time to time.
In 2 weeks?
Maybe. I would say 2 weeks is too long, but I will go.
But definitely a week.
Just for the video.
It's been 9 days for sure.
2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks.
Don't listen to him. Okay, but we're gonna get a little unhealthy because that's the point of a road trip, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Let's get Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola it is. Can I pet this doggy?
Alright, yeah, you can.
He looks healthy, right?
Yeah.
Buddy.
No! God, please, no!
No
No.
creo.
What's your favorite Argentinian snack?
Argentinian snack? No. My favorite snack. Didn't we get these the last time in an episode?
In Chile.
In Chile. Well, now you know I really like them. I'm not lying. What are you gonna get?
I think I'm gonna get yes, that one for sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
I bananas, right? Okay, and then I need my Coca-Cola. Okay.
What else? Yeah?
We're ready?
Let's go, babe.
Let's go, friend. Okay, so this is super common to stop at a gas station, hang out, enjoy like maybe Luna, some coffee. And what's crazy is this gas station has 5,800 reviews on Google. Google, 5,800 reviews. It's popular.
Nada más.
Nada más.
6,040.
Yes. Totally unhealthy. Are you gonna make me carry it off?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and the road should continue.
Para!
Okay, so people in there thought we were crazy.
People are like not used to see bloggers in the middle of nowhere, so it's just weird.
It's kind of weird. I mean, we're talking to a camera and we're just getting snacks. Like,
But it's part of our blog, so we don't care. We're two shits. Now I need to go to the bathroom.
okay, ciao. No, that's Hamon. Ugh.
You're the best one.
No, I hate those ones.
Jamón serrano, mi amor.
No, it's very Argentinian anymore. I actually really don't like them. Wait, let me stick my finger in to help you.
Don't do this, we'll try it.
Don't do what? Eat?
Yep.
Why?
It's dangerous. You should be two hands on the wheel.
Yeah, more. 2 hands on the wheel.
What do you like so much about Doritos? You don't even like this.
I know. I don't know. It's very nostalgic. Because for me, Doritos are like, they remind me of my mom.
Doritos.
They remind me of my mommy.
Doritos.
No, Doritos.
Doritos.
Okay. Oh, let's do this. Let's play the game, or that game of different words. Okay, so the singer who has blonde hair, how do you say her name?
María Carey.
Mariah Carey.
Para vos. Para nosotros es la María Carey.
Okay, and how do you say the brand that has like a check mark?
Nike.
You mean Nike?
¿Por qué Nike?
Oh, okay, okay. How about the other sports brand?
I'm talking about Reebok.
You mean Reebok?
Reebok. Ya sé, ya me explicaste, pero para nosotros es Reebok, no es Reebok. Nobody calls Reebok.
What are other words or names that we...
Oh, there's a ton.
Let's think of them. Taylor Swift?
No, Taylor Swift.
No, okay.
No la puedes cagar. No, tiene que ser alguna que... O sea,
Sí, no, por eso estoy intentando. ¿Vos? ¿Qué haces?
también manejo.
Bueno.
¿Querés que intente nomás y deje de manejar?
We've arrived. We're gonna go ahead and unpack. And then what, babe? And then the pool. And our trip begins. We're at our favorite brunch spot in Cordoba called the Bruncheria. And right now we're gonna have a little bit of coffee before we head up to the mountains. And in particular, we're going to go and do a hike that has waterfalls. It's raining outside, which means we can't go and do the hike that we anticipated. So we're going to wait and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning.
Hey baby,
Where are we going?
we're going to hike.
What's the hike called?
I have no idea.
You don't remember? I just told you.
Something the Rio Bamba or India Bamba or... I mean, like we went dinner last night, it was super good. We got some nice Polaroids. I got 2 glasses of wine.
Ooh.
So
Luxurious.
I wake up very early this morning, so I don't know if it's gonna be 100% of the hike, but I'll do my best.
All right. We're not gonna have him walk any further because if you look down, we are going to be walking along some slats. Cuidado, cuidado. So, we had to pay 1,500 pesos. Now we're making our way up the hike. It should be about 2 hours and 15 minutes, but there are other people who said that it takes less time. And the most important thing is we're gonna hike to the waterfall. So we'll see you when we get there.
Yeah, you have to go through.
Oh, bueno, bueno. The perks of being tall. Careful for the lovely smells. So, where do we have to go now, Ale?
Waterfall.
To the waterfall. I'm in love with horses. Like, in love with horses. And I don't think you can see it from behind all of this. But it's 2 horses, and all I want to do is give them a whole bunch of love, but I'll respect their boundaries and their wildness. Oh, but they're broke.
We made it to the top of the waterfall. It was a really hard climb at the end. We passed, yeah?
Yeah, we actually passed where we should have been, and then Ali found it when we were giving up on the way down.
So now we are gonna relax a little bit, drink some water, and maybe she will be on top of me. And
Just like we're on top of the waterfall. Mwah. So cold? I don't want to get in?
no, get in.
Holy shit!
So quick!
Okay. Cordoba was fantastic. We had a lot of time. Cordoba was fantastic. We're moving. We had a lot of time to relax, enjoy some fancy things, but also we got back to a little bit of like friends and asados. So it's a really nice trip. And now we're gonna continue with part 2.
Very close to your center.
Awesome. You ready? I'm gonna win. Challenge. And it's our first time doing lead climbing together outdoors. see you there.